Good morning. I am on the way today to Birmingham. So I've been driving for a little while now. I've dropped the kids off at school and little man at nursery, and I am making my way to Birmingham. So my aim of today is I am going to visit a property that an investor has bought, and I'm doing the project management side of it. So I am going to be in charge of the refurb, ensuring that what the contractors say they're going to do, they actually do it. So I'm on the way to Birmingham now to meet 3 different contractors for them to see the works that need to be done, for them to be able to price up and give me a schedule of works of what they believe it will cost, how long it will take, and all that stuff, so we can choose the right contractor and get the ball rolling so we can get this refurb done. So this property is, as I mentioned, bought by investors, and their end goal is to use it for an Airbnb. So we know the finish has to be very good. Obviously, Airbnb is a bit different from like a normal tenancy in terms of like it has to be hotel quality. So that's what we're going for. So when I meet the contractors, that's my questions to them in terms of the finishing they've done before, looking at their previous work that they've done, ensuring that we are aligned in terms of what we all want. So yeah, I will keep you along the journey with me. If I get the chance to obviously record the conversations, I will. Obviously, if they are happy with that, because some people don't want to be online, which is that's what we get. But I'll keep you updated on how things go as well. But this is my journey so far. Just got to Birmingham and I'm walking into the property now, so you can have a quick view on what I am working with. So this is the property. As you can see, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, a lot of plastering that needs to be done in the property. It basically needs a complete overhaul in terms of modernisation. See, it's quite old but functional, good sized room. So it's got 2 reception rooms, but old, as you can see, like stuff like this, the radiators being like super outdated, a lot of chimney breasts in most of the rooms as well, skirting boards completely off their hinges, a lot of plastering work needs to be done here. We've pulled about quite a few off the walls just to see the severity of the damp that is in the property. This is the second reception room that leads to the garden, very good space. But we do need work to be done. We need to get this completely pulled out. 2. Okay, I'll take you here. So there is a cellar in this property, which is a little bit scary, but feel the fear and do it anyway, right? Okay, so this is the cellar, which has caused a bit of issues in the property. Let me walk down and show you what I mean. A little bit scary, but here. Okay, so this is a good space but not functional because of all the damp and water that has happened. If I show you here, really annoying, there's a big gap that leads to outside. So whenever it rains, water comes straight into the property and this causes issues. And water, ingress, damp, the smell down here is not great either, as I'm sure you can tell. So I'm going to quickly get out of here. Show you the rest. It's got storage here, which is not too interesting, so I'll leave that. Kitchen is quite outdated, but it's still a good space. Good bay windows, so good lighting. But again, you can tell it's in need of serious modernisation. And then we've got a utility room as well, which is separate, which is also a good space, which we need to make good use of this and make it back to a habitable space. It's got a downstairs toilet. Take you upstairs. Actually, I'll take you to the garden before I take you upstairs. It's a good space too. So this is the garden. A bit overgrown but not hideous. That is the garden. We need to get some cladding here to make sure that this looks better and also is functional, doesn't deteriorate any more than it is. go upstairs now. All carpets need to be pulled out, modernised, made to look better. So this is the bathroom. As I mentioned, the end goal is to be an Airbnb, so the bathroom units aren't too bad. But as you can see, maybe you can't actually tell, it's quite small. And an Airbnb, you know what sells a property is the bathroom and the kitchen. And this is, it's just a little bit too basic for the end use, but it's still a good sized property. Bathroom, sorry, not property. Alright, moving on to the smallest of the rooms. This is the first bedroom. So everything will be taken out. Architraves, coving, skirting boards, all taken out. You can even see it's been started here. And radiators are all getting pulled out because that's super old. We need to redo the heating, redo the electric work, so they're going to automatically be pulled out anyway. And we are going here. Look at all of the bricks that are on the floor. Going to this bedroom. This is the second biggest bedroom. And it's a very, very, very good size. You can fit probably 3 doubles in here. Modernisation needed. Very old wallpaper, carpets. It's just old. Again, another old radiator here, as you can see here. But yeah, let's move to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom here. Amazing size, like it's huge. Probably fit about 4 double bedrooms in here. Bed, sorry. More than that actually. As you can see, there's like 3 cupboards actually already here and 1 bed, so a lot of potential, but it needs a hell of a lot of modernisation, electrical upgrades, plug sockets in the right place, and yeah, that is it. So the builders are en route, so I'm going to take them through the property, show them all what the plan is, and see where we can get to. So I've just met with all of the 3 different builders, all very different, all very good in terms of their knowledge of stuff that they know regarding renovations and redevelopments and all that stuff. So interested to see what their prices come back at, what their schedule of works look like, what they include as add-ons, and stuff like that. So I'll keep you updated on what the pricing looks like, on what the finishing looks like, on when we're going to get started. Some of them can start ASAP, some of them have about 3-week lead time, which is fine because I understand everyone's busy. So we'll see how it goes, we will see what they come back with, but I'm positive we'll get a good build out of this, so watch this space.